Talk to me. Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Lachelle Trends, and since in today's video I'm coming to you with a Walmart haul. This is going to be the spring edition. Maybe this is the second or third, maybe second one that I've done, but y'all, they put out more stuff and you know I could not resist, so I grabbed a few things. This haul will be smaller than normal because again, this is like the second or third spring haul that I've done. So yeah, pretty much already got everything inside of Walmart and we're just adding on. So I'll have everything linked per usual. If it's not linked, I'll just let you know just to go to your local store to find it, because sometimes the graphic tees are a little harder to find and or some things are just harder to find. But anyway, I'll have everything linked. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel, I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as play and makeup. So go ahead and join the gang. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah, girl, let's get into it. Okay, sis, so for this first look, I think this first look is my favorite. I don't know if it's the sneakers, the graphic tee, because you know this is definitely my vibe, or if it's the yellow, but sis, I'm loving this fit. Okay, so first off is this graphic tee, which I love. Like, you just don't know how much I love Aaliyah. So yes, an Aaliyah top. I got this from the men's section, size small. This was actually the last one. I think they had a small and an extra large and an extra large. So yeah, this was the last little size small, and yeah, I went ahead and got the size small. You know how I like to upsize and or get my normal size, but these run so big. So I already have the whole collection basically that they have, so it's mixed. I have some size smalls and some size mediums, but I knew the way I wanted to wear this, I needed a small, so I'm glad they did have a size small, but it fits me like a medium. So downsize if you want to wear your normal size, upsize, or did I say that right? Get your normal size if you want to have an oversized feel, size down if you want just a normal feel. You get what I'm saying? Okay, so yeah, this is the top. She cute. The color is everything. Size small, $12.98. Like this, $12 for a graphic tee, and it has stuff on the back. Like, sis, isn't she cute? It says her greatest hits. Okay, 1 in a Million is 3. That's my favorite song. But anyway, so yeah, she's so cute, and then it has like the distressness going on. Can you see like the distress? So yeah, she's cute, girl. Like, yeah, real cute and very soft and just fits me very well. I paired her with these cargos. These cargos are again from the men's section, size, I want to say medium. Yep, size medium, and these were $19.98. I was gonna go in between size small and or size medium, because again, this is the men's section. Men's kind of run big on me, or just big period, because I'm a woman. But the medium fits me well. It is a little bit big, a little baggy or whatever, but you know that's my type of style anyway. So to me, it fits me perfectly. If you don't want it to be loose fitting like mine's, definitely size down, because again, y'all, it's the men's section. The brand is No Boundaries, and these are some really good cargos, y'all. Like, super thick, good quality. Like, I was so shocked that it wasn't like that lightweight, just like airy, which nothing is wrong with lightweight and airy, but this is like some real deal, like pants, cargos, like good material. So yeah, it has like the little pockets here on the side. At the bottom, if you want to cinch in, it has like the little drawstring or whatever, which I like that they gave you that option, but I normally like to wear mine's just out and about. But if they tend to be like high waters or whatever, I'll cinch it in. But girl, like, these fit me. I'm 5'7", and the length is perfect, y'all. Like, perfect length, just perfect all together. Everything paired well together. I was a little nervous of having like a dark shirt with these fair light bottoms, but the shoes tied everything in. Those are my Nike shoes, Nike Dunks, that I got from Nike. And then the bag, girl, what bag did I carry? Hold on, let me think. Okay, I thought about it. I got that from TJ Maxx. It's a Steve Madden yellow little book bag, just to bring out some yellow. And then my yellow shades are from Shein. And sis, the outfit is outfitting, okay? The outfit is definitely outfitting. Okay, y'all, so for this next look I was so excited about, especially like because they have this in a different color, like a light blue jean color and then the dark blue jean. Sis, Walmart is stepping up their game. Like I just cannot. They are stepping up their game. A crop top, a denim crop top, like are you kidding me? Sis, I screamed when I seen it. Anyways, I got this from the junior section, size large. How much was she? She was $17.48, which is really odd. $17.48. Like, who made that price up? I can't with the 48 cents. How did we get there? How did we get? Okay, anyways, because that's not what this is about. But $17.48 is the price, and it is in the brand No Boundaries. And she's cute, y'all. I did upsize because you already know juniors fits me how it fits me. Like they run small because I'm a grown woman. So I should not be in juniors, but I do. I dibble and dabble. So yeah, I went ahead and got this in a size large. I probably could have did a medium if I wanted that fitting look or whatever. But the large fits me the way I want it to. You know, I like the little oversized. I don't like anything too tight on me in general. So the oversized look was definitely T. I love this size large. I was gonna do an extra large, but I'll stop at a size large, and I'm glad I did because again, y'all, it fits me to the T. It has the distressedness going on at the bottom. Like, y'all, I love that. The pockets are real. It's good denim. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it does have like a bleach smell. Like, you know, when you try to, you know, just bleach your top. Like, I've bleached plenty of pants in my life, so I know the smell. So that's what this top smells like a bleach top. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. It's $17.48. Again, an odd price. But I mean, overall, it's a pretty good deal for it to be Walmart and real cute. So I paired her with these bottoms, y'all. Okay, so when I seen these bottoms, I immediately fell in love because I'm a sucker for wide denim, wide leg denim. These are from the women's section. Free Assembly is the brand. Size 10 is the size. And yes, that is my normal size. I did not size up, size down, or anything like that. And these were $29. So, good deal. And y'all, when I say these pants fit me to the T, I was so shocked. Free Assembly always fits me right, but the reason why I was shocked is because they're wide leg denim, and I thought they were going to be high water. Sis, again, I'm 5'7", and the pants were so long. You know how you go to other stores, I ain't gonna call out their name, but it be high waters. Not only high waters, like it just be, I don't know, it's just not for long legged people like myself. And I was just so shocked at how long this denim was and just fit me to the T. So yay, Free Assembly. It has like the little pockets. The pockets sold me. The pockets did it for me. The pockets are just so cute, like a little sailor type of moment. If you know, you know. But anyways, very cute, very good denim, good quality. This is not like a perfect match, but it's denim and it's dark denim, so we just threw it together. I think it looks so good together. I paired it with my Zara heels and it has like a two-tone denim just to tie in everything. My Zara two-tone denim bag, again, to tie in everything. Then I threw in the shades because it was giving like a grown woman vibe with the hair. Sis, are you feeling me? Because I love it. Now listen, hear me out. When I actually do wear this outfit, I'm gonna throw in a red lip, sis, and it's gonna give like that vibe, like that grown woman vibe. Like, I can't wait. Anyways, the outfit is cute. Okay, so this next look is real cute, y'all. So we first have this top that I got from the women's section. The brand is Time and True. The size is medium and it was $11.98. Y'all, when I say this is a really good top, like the quality, you can't even tell. Like, look how thick this quality is. It's super thick. This tee is super thick, y'all. Like, thick, sheep, thick. Let me stop. Anyways, it's just a really good quality. I was shocked for real because it's really good quality, super thick, and just nice overall. The medium, I was gonna size down, girl, I got makeup on it. The medium, I was gonna size down just because it was looking a little big, and it's a bodysuit, if I didn't say, by the way, if I didn't mention. But it was looking a little big, and I started to size down, but it is very stretchy, so I just went ahead and got my normal size, which is the medium, and it fits me to the T, y'all. And again, it's a bodysuit that buttons or whatever, real cute, and $11. $12 because it's $11.98. But yeah, real cute. I paired it with these little pants. Again, it's the same pants that you saw me wear in the first outfit, just a different color. I could not let this lavender color go. Like, as soon as I seen these cargos, I noticed the lavender one first, and I just knew I had to find something in Walmart to go with these lavender pants. Like, sis, again, same pants from the first first outfit, same size medium, same price, $19.98. Same quality, same everything, y'all. Like, the pants is bomb. This time I gave you two options on how to style it. The first option is just with some sneakers. Like, that is my go-to. I styled it with some Nike sneakers or whatever, some chains from Shopakura, and then my bag is from Zara, just to throw in some color because my shoes have like a whole bunch of different pastel colors. Okay, the outfit is outfitting. Anyway, so then the next way I styled it was with a denim little jacket or whatever, because it still is chilly. It is the springtime. It gets warm, then cold, then cold, then hot. Like, just, yeah. So I started with the little denim jacket, the same chains, and then I threw on some kitten heels because I just been in love with cargos and kitten heels. Like, that has been my thing. And then the bag, y'all, hold on, let me get the bag because the bag is real cute. Okay, y'all, so this is the bag. Isn't she cute? Sis, stop playing. Get into it. Look at the sparkles. She's cute. So this is the bag. It does come with a strap, but I took the strap off and I put it somewhere, and I'm just not gonna go get it. Okay, that's just it. But anyways, I'm sorry, y'all, I don't feel like getting it. But this is in the brand No Boundaries, and it does not say the price, but luckily for you, I always remember the price. This was $16.96. Such a good deal, y'all. $16. And I'm saying 96, like, I know. I want to say it was 96, but either way, $16.98, $99, $96, somewhere in the 90s, it was $16, okay? And she's just cute. Now, this is a way that I normally carry this type of bag, but again, it has like a little strap. Let me get the strap, y'all. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I got the strap. I got the strap because I felt bad. Okay, and I felt like you needed to see the strap. So the strap is like a leather blue. Is that even a thing? It's blue and it's leather. So I'm not really feeling the strap as to why I'm just like, I wasn't gonna show y'all, but I figure you might want to see it because it's not like a denim, it's leather. They could have missed me with this leather strap, because why is it leather blue? And then it's not really, it matches, but it's not a vibe. It's definitely not a vibe. But the bag itself is cute, and I don't really care because I'm only going to carry it like this anyway. But just to show you that it does give you an option. Yeah, a bad option, but at least it's an option. They should have gave you a denim strap like this. But anyway, that's just me. But yeah, so I paired it with the little kitten heels because, again, and the kitten heels is from Target. And then the outfit is just real like... Y'all, so the last look, this is like a night out look. This isn't the best look, okay, because the fit is not fitting how I wanted it to fit me, but you get the vibes, you get the concept of where I was going. It's still a vibe, it's still an outfit that I would wear, just I would size down and get the correct sizing. But just for the video purpose, I still wanted you guys to see it because I did not feel like running back out to the store. But it's still cute, y'all. It's still cute. It's still a vibe. It's still a vibe. Anyway, so this is the top. The top is, girl, from the junior section, size large. No. Yes, no. Okay, size medium. I got it in a size medium, and the top was $12.98. The brand is No Boundaries, and she's cute. She's definitely cute. Upon walking into Walmart, I immediately saw this in that denim crop top, and I just knew I had to have it. This also came in a dark denim. Well, it's like a dark light denim. It's like one of, you know how you got the light denim that everybody loves, then the dark denim that everybody just like, maybe, and then you got the denim in between. It's the denim in between. So I was just like, I always push the denim in between, and I always go for light then dark. I don't know. Anyway, But yeah, that's the other type of denim that this comes in. This is very stretchy or whatever, so it's not like a real denim or whatever. It's like a denim effect, if that makes sense. And I love this little wash effect that it has. Again, y'all, it's really soft. I did get my normal size. I was gonna upsize, but this was not one of those things because it has the stretchy stuff in the back and it gave like it was big and you cannot adjust the straps at all. So I was like, let me get a size medium, and it still kind of fits me a little wonky. And I already knew it kind of was because the boob is not like a boob, if that makes sense. And then on one of the boobs, it was like once you put it on, you see how it has the thing, you see that, and it would not come out. And I don't have no big boobs or whatever, so I figured it wouldn't have came out, but I figured maybe if I ironed it, I don't know y'all, but I still like the top, don't get me wrong. Like it's still like a little vibe or whatever. I just need to figure out what to do with this little thing. Yeah, anyways, so I paired her with these little shorts or whatever, and the shorts is real cute. Again, I got the size 10, which 10 is my normal size, but I think I should have sized down to a size 8 because for whatever reason I always need to size down in shorts and I forgot that. So yeah, and these are very stretchy. I love these. It has a 6-inch inseam. These were $14.98, and I love that it tells you the inseam because I don't really do like shorts because I'm real petite and skinny or whatever, so I like a little length. And I love this. Like, I really love these. I'm gonna go back and size down and try those on and see how those fit. But I love the length of these, and I love the stretchiness. Like, these definitely give. And I love the little wash. It went so perfectly. Like, y'all, it went so perfectly together. Like, you would have thought that it was a thing, but it's not. And it was giving like together, like romper vibes. That's the vibes. Okay, but you get it. That's the vibes that I was going for, like a whole like fitted romper, but not a romper, a 2-piece set, you know? Like, it's cute, y'all. Again, I just need to size down in everything and figure out how the top situation. But overall, I really like the look. I've styled it with a biker jacket. Normally, I don't style my clothes, Walmart outfits with anything other than Walmart, but I'm just gonna help myself. So we got this crop wool Zara jacket going on, and then my Zara booties. Now, I did do 2 ways. So the first way is with the Zara booties or whatever, just for like, you know, like a little biker vibe type of whatever night out. And then the bag is from Zara as well, just to keep it all in the same family of black denim. And I like the look with the glasses. The glasses is from Shein. The look is real cute. Like, you get the vibes. And then the next way is when your feet start hurting, and or if you're just going out for drinks or not really doing much, just throw on the little Toga Pulla dupes, which I got from Shopacura, and I love this look. I love the look with, like, I couldn't decide, so I just wanted to show you guys both, but I really like this look with a red lip. She cute. She cute. Okay, sis, so that is it for this haul. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.